check out a unique, especially in classics, 1972 Cadillac Eldorado. Beautiful black on black car with a black cross-grained vinyl roof. And yes, that's the way this one was produced, believed to be original miles, a little over 44,000 on it. Of course, the 500 cubic inch V8 underneath the hood, 8.2 liters. Powering this front-wheel drive car with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic transmission to be exact. And take a look at this chrome, bright work up front. Quite elegant in the black paint. Now, if you want to take a look at the still pictures, take a look at the undersides, especially engine bay, interior. You're going to see this is a nice clean car. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. You can see how straight this is. You get these long panels in black. Any imperfections, waviness, anything like that will stand out. Look at the reflection, nice shine to that paint. Now, it's black. You're gonna have a few little spots or maybe there's a touch up here and there, but overall, this car does show well. Point out just a couple of them there. And again, they're few and far in between. There's also some extra components that are gonna come with this that are probably original, been replaced. Looks like your AC control, some wiring, 4-barrel carb, compressor, the trunk board set, I guess is what you'd consider it. Looks like we have a power steering hose, shop manual, starter, blower fan, and hood insulator. So those will all go with the car, be in the trunk of it. Looks like I said, some of the components that were maybe replaced in the past, they're originally on this. Now, as far as interior, kind of cool in here. This does have an AM6 option, which is the dual comfort seat option. Would have been the first year in the Eldorado. This interior looks quite original. Obviously, with the exception of the little cup holders down there. And again, take a look at this black vinyl cross grain roof option. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the chrome in the rear bumper. You'll be able to see trunk pics with it open, and again, interior undersides. Probably over 100 pictures of this car online at UniqueClassicCars.com. Just take a look down the driver's side. Again, you can see the reflection in that black paint. Almost looks like it's wet. Really free of much of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Take a look at this interior. We're going to start it up too, let you hear it run before we finish up this video. But of course, power windows, power locks. Just look at the lack of any sort of wear on the armrests. Door panels look good. Remember, dual power seats. That was that AM6 option, dual comfort seats. And then look, as far as just even lack of wear, a little bit here in the piping. Think what you'd expect for a car in this shape. Again, believed to be actual miles. Once the car's so old, obviously the miles do not stay in the title. It's marked exempt, but there's odometer reading 44,794. Take a look at the condition of the dash. You can tell this car has not been stored outdoors. Does have an aftermarket stereo or retro sound style stereo that was put in. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Radio does work. Rear defrost. I believe that would have been an option. First tilt column. Does have a newer muffler on it. Sounds like it's got pretty good flow to it. Again, you gotta remember, 500 cubic inches underneath that hood, 8.2 liter. What a cruiser this would be. All right, I'm gonna pause this a second. This is gonna take me 2 hands to get this hood open. Let's get it open, check out that engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Good look underneath the hood. Looks like the hood insulator is in good shape. One in the box over there too. There it is. Remember, front wheel drive vehicle. 500 cubic inch powering it, automatic transmission. AC has been converted, of course, power steering, power brakes, AC. Sounds good, looks good. What a beauty, 1972 Cadillac Eldorado. Give us a call at 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.